Okay, so kakatapos lang ng laro ng Rain or Shine versus Blackwater at medyo nakakahiya po, nakakalungkot ang pagkatalo po ng Blackwater Elite. Elite pa naman ang pangalan, ano? At Rain or Shine, grabe, undefeated pa rin. Ano ba nangyari? Pero may isang bagay na gustong sabihin sa inyo na nakita ko dito po sa Blackwater Elite. And, this made me think, wala talaga. You know what Blackwater should do? Let me tell you.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Pakita ko lang muna yung score sa inyo. Grabe, 151-95. Pag-usapan natin yung statistics ng mga nangyari dito, no? At nakakagulat dahil sa sobrang tambak. Now, hindi ako gulat na nanalo ang Rain or Shine dahil ang Rain or Shine talaga ay maganda pinapakita from the start, the import and everyone. I mean, hindi lang import po, no? Lahat po ng nasa Rain or Shine. And literally, this game talagang dinurog nila from the start. Ito pong Blackwater Elite. 42 points ba naman and 15 points lamang. So, doon pa lamang nakita ko na kagad. Dito sabihin ko na kagad sa Blackwater. And this happened throughout the game. Parang kulang talaga. Yung, alam mo yung, hindi momentum eh. Yung spirit nila parang nakuha na agad eh. Parang yung believe nila sa sarili nila na mananalo sila, parang nakuha na kagad, parang nawala. And that sense of urgency and that sense of pride parang nawala sa Blackwater Elite, which is not good. So I'm gonna tell you right now, Blackwater Elite siguro kailangan nito magbakasyon or I don't know, they need to have a retreat or something para makalimutan ito dahil hindi lang ito nakakadurog ng puso, yung confidence ng Blackwater, especially as they struggled so bad, it's really, parang talagang hindi talaga magandang pangitain ito. So, let's go ahead and tell you this, no? There's really nothing to talk about much because na-dominate ng Rain or Shine ang lahat ng area except for one thing, no? And usually, itong one thing na to ang determining factor kung mananalo ba yung team o hindi. Pero dito kasi lahat eh. I mean, sa shooting, 54%. Look at the way they're shooting. So, yung kabila, 36%. So, don't expect to win with that, no? And offensive rebound, lamang ng 10 pa ngayong Blackwater. But, it's just the field goal percentage, malaking bagay. So, again, yung nakikita ko doon sa Blackwater, alam mo yung tumitira ka na pag bitaw mo ng bola, parang feeling mo na hindi na shoot. Parang ganun ang naramdaman ko eh. And all of the stats belongs to Rain or Shine. And not only that, no, if you look at the of the statistics of Rain or Shine team, no, Karako 22, Jalen Johnson 20, Kauwaw 15 points. Tapos tingnan mo to, 1 2 3 4 5 players off the bench, double digit, and everyone scored except for Chongson and Belga, but almost everyone scored. So like everyone was working hard and this is like a cohesive team. Di mo kailangan ng sobrang tangkad, di mo kailangan ng sobrang galing. Ang kailangan mo lang kasi basketball is a team sport is for you guys to work together as one. And this is exactly what Rain or Shine is saying and telling us, improving us that you can win without, yung wala kang pinaka-best player and everyone is just contributing and working together as a team. You're winning for your team, not for yourself. And this is what Rain or Shine is. So, nakakaano lang, naku, may mga, naman, si Homer, baka sabihin na naman ito. So I think Blackwater need to have a retreat or somewhere. We're not gonna even talk about that statistic. I think kailangan nila ibalik yung nila confidence and believe sa sarili na kaya nilang manalo. So yeah, we want Blackwater to succeed, but they're not gonna succeed if they don't believe. Parang and it's also the coach. I think the coach also needs to show some more emotions and I don't know what else to say. But rain or shine. San Miguel and Macau Black Bears is gonna be happening next. Ginagawa ko to kagad. The next game, by the way, standing muna tayo para makita nyo. Blackwater, yan. Tatlo na, 1 out of 3. I mean, okay lang matalo pero matalo ka ng 56 points. Medyo nakakaya talaga yun. When is the next game for Blackwater Elite? Blackwater Elite will be playing Titan Ultra Giant. Yan. So, I think this is a good chance for them to kind of retreat, complete about, forget about what happened, and just focus on Titan Ultra, which is a winnable game. So, Titan Ultra din naman na medyo nagsa-struggle din. And yun lang. Coach, galing talaga ng rain or shine. Iba-iba talaga pag minsan talaga nasa coach din eh, no? If makapag-instill ka ng right play and definitely right discipline, everything is gonna work out fine. And that is exactly what Rain or Shine tell us. Let me know what you think of Rain or Shine, guys. Feeling ko pwedeng mag-champion ng Rain or Shine ngayon. Parang ramdam ko iba yung iba yung energy. It's the energy that I see in Rain or Shine that's really making a big difference from all of the other teams. Let me know.